What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Avery, 3 Relasting. I'm coming right back at you guys with another clothing video. Thank you so much to everybody that got into my Thread Beast video. Thank you so much. I appreciate the likes, the comments. And I heard you guys. I understand what you guys are feeling. A little less yappy, right? Okay, so I'm gonna speed this right on through so I could get right to the close, and I'm gonna make this short and sweet. So really quick, I just want to let everybody know that I went ahead and subscribed to Birchbox. So if you're interested in my skincare routine, because so many people have asked me what I use on my skin to make it so clear, if you're interested in that, stay tuned here on my YouTube channel. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss my skincare routine, which is coming up soon. I have a tried and true skincare routine, which is aside from my Birchbox unboxing, which I did on my IG page. So go ahead and follow me on IG if you're interested in seeing what I received in my Birchbox subscription. I just want to see what other products are out there, because they are going to introduce me to more than just skincare. They're going to introduce me to some beard care products, some hair care products, anything for grooming for men. And I'm excited about that. So if you want to see what I received in my first box, or any box, go and make sure that you're following me on my IG and don't miss out. I'm also going to be reviewing those products here on my YouTube channel, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. Today we're doing BoohooMAN. BoohooMAN. What a weird name. Let me not read the company, because it's like boo-hoo. Like what? Like you crying. Okay, but anyway, it's a company from UK. This is my first haul, right? So I just want to say I have a little criteria. I'm not just going based off of anything. I'm really into clothes. You know, as some of you might know from my last video that I just posted when I got ready for Halloween, I tell you guys a little bit about my 2019 year. If you haven't already gotten into that video, go ahead and check that out after this video. Stay tuned. And I tell you a little bit about 2019, and you get to know me a little bit more as an individual. And I have made a lot of garments in the past, and that's just something that I'm very much into. I'm very much into how garments fall on a person, but in specific, men. I love menswear, and I also like, of course, like, you'll see, when you see the stuff that I have made, you'll understand what I'm saying. That's more like dance wear and just like things to express yourself when you're a dancer, or when you're a competitive dancer, I want to say. So that being said, if you want to see some things that I have made in the past, go ahead and check that video out. It's funny because I'm putting latex on my face and that was my first time using latex. It was just something special for Halloween, and yeah, I like trying new things. That's how you make your life hashtag 3Relasting, right? We're gonna get into that. If you don't know what hashtag 3Relasting is, subscribe to my YouTube channel and you will learn. You will see my journey. You'll see what I'm talking about. You'll see how it is, what it is like living hashtag 3Relasting. Everyone could do that, and anyone can do that, right? It's just making every moment of your life amazing for you, not for anybody else, for you. So I'm doing it for me. All right, so let's get back to BoohooMAN. Let's get back to this try on haul. Recently, I want to say about a month ago, I went ahead and put up a little poll on my story, my IG story and my Facebook story, and the poll asked, how much do you spend on a regular shopping trip? Like, how much do you spend? I wanted to know, and on average, because I know how much I spend and I know what I look for when I go shopping. So I wanted to know on an average day how much my buddies spend, you know? So the data came in, and the most clicked result was $200 to $250 on average. You know, some people hit like more, some people hit the 500, 600 mark. Maybe they have it like that, or maybe they go shopping more often, or maybe they buying the labels. And some people pick the 100 mark, you know? So it really depends on where you shop, what you're looking for, what your style is. Do you shop for convenience? Do you shop for comfort? Or do you shop for unnecessary things because you just love fashion, right?
100,000 for the cheapest ring on a nigga finger, little bitch.
Let's get to my criteria so y'all will understand exactly what I'm going to entail in my video today when it comes, or any of my try on hauls. You watch any of my try on hauls, and I want you to understand exactly what I'm basing my criteria off of, what I'm basing my review off of, right? So first things first, let's talk about my shopping experience. I love in specific that BoohooMAN have a lot of sales. You can purchase a good amount of stuff for $200. Y'all about to see what I did. $250. That's a good amount of money to spend depending on where you're shopping, right? So BoohooMAN, they pretty much were very convenient on price. I want to say that. I believe I got a good amount of stuff, but I'm gonna let you comment down below how you feel after you see me try on all of this stuff, right? So let me know if you believe I got a good amount of stuff in the comment box. I'm excited to see what y'all think. Not only was it convenient on price, but they also have so much attire wise. Like, you can pick something professional. Like, they have professional apparel, they have athletic apparel, they have track suits. I was excited. I was on that site for hours, not hours. I was on that site for days before I decided what I was going to pick, you know, because these are stuff that's actually going in my closet. I'm not shopping for y'all. I'm shopping for me. I'm not shopping for y'all. So I don't care how y'all feel. This is my style. This is what I'm going to use on a daily. This is going into my wardrobe. So this try on haul is very specific to me. If you get excited with BoohooMAN, I think that you should go and check them out. So overall, rating my shopping experience, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 because they offer a lot. I haven't yet seen the clothes yet. I haven't yet opened my bags. So range of fashion, I'm also going to give it a 5 out of 5 because you could find anything there. You could find from, like I said, professional wear. You could find some slacks, you know, if you have to dress like that for work, or if you like to dress like that. There's people who dress like that casually. They dress a little bit more professional, right? So you can find a little bit of everything. Now let's get into the value of clothing. Y'all gonna have to wait for that. I'm about to try these fits on, but I just want to show y'all my order, and I want to show y'all how many pieces I purchased with my $200 budget. Okay, $250 budget. Let's get into this. Let's start with my first impressions about the packaging. Everything arrived in perfect condition all the way from UK, and it took about 1 week, which was pretty impressive. Even the button-down shirts had extra packaging. I made sure to include the boxers and some basic tees in this haul just so that I could give it a try and fully review the company. And I liked them. The Burna Boy tracksuit had to be my favorite two pieces from this haul. Just the color stood out to me. He had a few tracksuits, and honestly the quality is really good. The fabric that was used was amazing, and I think that the color just suited me very well. Great job, Burna Boy. These were great pieces. Highly respect them. I think the other colors are nice too, but this one worked for me. What do you guys think? Comment down below. So far, I've only spent $77 out of the $250 budget. Let's see what else I got in this haul. You guys are about to be shocked. Next piece is a pair of Dr. Scrubs. Nah, I'm just playing. They kind of do resemble scrubs, but I'm in love with cargos. And if you have ever seen me in real life, you know that I love a pair of cargos. And this color was just giving me everything that I needed. Another pair of cargos, except this one compared to the light blue cargos that I got was very flimsy. The quality of this pair was a lot more, I want to say, thin. It was a thinner fabric, but I guess it will be better on cooler days, and you know, I could always pull them up and just wear them nicely like this. I had to get a pair of skinny jeans. I love slim fit and skinny fit jeans, and I just definitely wanted to try out the denim selection from BoohooMAN if I was going to do a review. So I ordered these because they were very appealing. However, they're also very thin. I don't think that they're made out of denim. It's more like a very soft denim or whatever it's made out of. Now I'm gonna switch my top. This is just another basic long sleeve. I wanted to test out the fabric quality. I pretty much liked it, and I'm going to top it off with a nice Sherpa vest. And this one in specific I knew would keep me warm this winter. Just a little tip, you definitely want to layer. You can't go wrong, because if you get a little too hot, you could always take something off. The denim on this jacket or this button down shirt, because it could kind of be used for both, is a very strong denim. I was really impressed by the quality of this shirt compared to the jeans. Of course, I wouldn't wear these together because it's a little bit too redundant in color. However, I really love the quality of this shirt. I wish the jeans were a little bit harder like this, the fabric used on the shirt. But the shirt was a really nice piece, only for $24. This Soho shirt, that was the one that I was talking about, was packaged really well. It was almost packaged like a professional button-down shirt would come. And I was surprised because this is rather casual of a piece. I just love the design, the plaid that, you know, it just mixes up all of these colors in one. And I could definitely wear this with so many different colors. But because of the mix and match with clothing quality, I'm going to give this company a 3 out of 5. Next piece is this vest, my utility vest. I had to try this out. It's a light puffer vest, good for days that's not too cold, you know. Nice little zippers on the side. I guess I could zip them up and down. My last piece had to be a graphic tee so that I can test out the quality of those. And if you want to see how I went ahead and styled these looks, stay tuned till the end, because this was just the try on portion. And I spent a total of $264. I know it was $14 over budget. However, I only used one of the white tees in this video, so it kind of balanced out. So now I'm just going to show you how I would actually wear these fits all together and style a look. I want to go ahead and say thank you to everybody who watched this far. Now you could kind of see how I would actually wear these looks on a regular day, or, you know, maybe nighttime, go out, whatever I intended them for. And as I said earlier, I don't just have one style. I mix and match it up. You know, no label would define my style. You can't call me preppy. You can't say that I dress more athletic, because I really do switch it up depending on the day. So let me know what you think about my first try on haul. And of course, let me know what you think about BoohooMAN. And last but not least, I'm going to rate the entire experience that I had shopping with BoohooMAN. But what do you think about my fits? What do you think about the way that I styled them? And now you get to see how I would actually wear it out. So like, now I have shoes on. In the beginning, when I was just, you know, trying them on, I really just wanted to try them on and see if the fits actually work. But I'm impressed because all of the sizes that were advertised online actually were real. Like, they came and they fit me as advertised. So I gave that a 5 out of 5. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified of every time that I post a new video. I plan on trying out a new company every single month, at least one, you know, try on haul every month. So the next companies that I'm thinking about trying are between ASOS and SHIEN. So if you could let me know which one you would rather see me do first, comment down below. Let me know between ASOS company or SHIEN. And of course, if I do ASOS, it's going to be more of a professional try on haul. And SHIEN have a little bit of everything. But I could do so much different things with SHIEN. So comment down below. Let me know what you think and what you would prefer, what you're looking forward to. And last but not least, my overall rating for BoohooMAN and this entire try on haul, I'm gonna go ahead and give it 3.5 out of 5 stars, only because of certain quality things with the fabric and certain, you know, I just expected them to be a little bit more flattering for the price, honestly, because H&M have a similar price point, and you know, you always get what you pay for. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned till my next video.